In this third video, we'll look at what types of geospatial data are needed for the EVPV model, and also what open sources are available for your case study. There are actually 4 required data to run the model. So first you'll need a GeoJSON file that contains the outline of your region of interest and will be used to define its boundaries. Then you'll need a population layer here in a GeoTIFF format, so this is a raster file. And so note that this file here must be in WGS84 coordinate system. And so this layer here should cover the population of your region of interest. So let's say at least, it could be bigger. And then we also need 2 CSV files that describe the list of workplaces and points of interest within your region of interest. And these 2 files follow a similar structure with 4 columns. First, the name of either the workplace or the point of interest, its latitude, its longitude, and also optionally a weight, in case you have multiple workplaces or points of interest at the same location. So for these data files, you can of course use any data source you want, as long as the files are in the correct format. However, I also explain you how to get them from open source data in case you do not have specific data sets already available for your case study. So first, regarding the region of interest, I recommend you to have a look at the GADM maps and data. So this data set provides the boundaries of most countries on Earth at different administrative levels. So for instance, you can look at the data as maps, and if you look at, for instance, here Ethiopia, you see that you have the outline of the country and you also have the subdivisions, including, for instance, here the administrative region of Addis Ababa. And you can download all the data by country by selecting it, and then you will also have to choose the administrative level that you want to use. As for the population layer, there are several sources available. The most well-known are probably WordPop and so-called GHSPop. They both span the entire Earth. So for instance here, if you want to use the GHSPop data, you just have to go to the copernicus.eu website, where you can download this data source. So here what you have to do is select the product that you want. So here I want GHSPop, the dates, the year. So here I will select 2020. The coordinate system, so as said before, here we need WGS84, and I downloaded as the highest possible spatial resolution. Then you will see that you have a map like this. All you have to do is select the zone that covers your region of interest, and then when you click, it will download this as a zip file. Then all you have to do is go to the folder where you downloaded the zip file, extract it, and you will see that you have here a .tif file that contains the population of the specific zone that you have selected. Then finally, you will also need to get a list of points of interest and workplaces for your region. So to obtain them, you can either use your own data, or if you don't have any, get the data from OpenStreetMap, which I think you know it is a crowdsourced project to get this kind of points of interest mapped all over the world. And to gather data from OpenStreetMap, you can either use a tool you are familiar with, Or if you are not familiar with any tool or do not want to learn a tool to gather data from OpenStreetMap, note that there is also a Python script that you can find on GitHub. Here under the EVPV tools example, it's a script called extract points of interest from USM. And this script, you can open it, change the parameters and run it with Python, and it will automatically extract the points of interest for your region of interest. So in this video, I won't explain how to use that script because this video is more meant to give you an overview of the model inputs, but we'll cover that in the advanced use videos. And yeah, as I said, there are also many other tools or websites that you can use to extract data from OpenStreetMap as well. And also note that here in this folder, it's called EVPV utils. So this repository, you will have also other scripts that can help you pre-process some data sets. And so this might be necessary depending on your specific data source and region of interest. So for instance, if you download GeoJSON data from GIDM, it might contain sometimes multiple administrative regions. So you will need to create a second GeoJSON file from the raw file you downloaded with just the region of interest. And there is also a script for that. And also, if in the GIHS POP population data, you download your region of interest spans 2 or more tiles, then you will need to merge them in order to make sure that your population data really covers your region of interest. And there is also a script for this.